Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well today. Did you have a good weekend? My weekend was great. Today, we will start a new unit. We are going to learn about work. At the top of this page are some new words. Say them after me. Cashier. Cashier. Custodian. Custodian. Mechanic. Mechanic. Receptionist. Receptionist. Salesperson. Salesperson. Server. Server. In this picture, Leo is a mechanic. He fixes cars. This person is a receptionist. She works at an office. She answers the phone, uses the computer, and helps people who come to see the men and women who work at the office. Eduardo is a server. He works at a restaurant. This man is a custodian. He has a mop. He has a bucket with water. He cleans the floor. He cleans the bathrooms. He makes sure the building is clean. Lucy is a cashier. Sarah is a salesperson. These are the new words we will talk about this week. I hope you have a great week, and we will talk again soon. Bye for now.